That's glove and good luck. Up. Stop. No holding. No. No holding. No holding, Eman. No holding. Ay, Eman, no. Hey! Stop! That's it! Stop! Time!
His left eye developing because of all of those right connections. Here's Salado once more.
Stop.
See what he does here as he makes his adjustment. Salado once more.
That's all forward. Stop.
Of course, he's really been able to reach advantage of his moving side. Get inside punching. He keeps getting to throw his punches. And as he prepares to launch, Bacosa is already member. When Bacosa turned pro back in 2003, his first tournament, he was rattled at 6 straight wins. Disadvantage. He's not able to reach his mark. Like Salado trying to get lucky here, but he connects with the left. Throwing it back. By Salado. Bacosa trying to find his that wild swing once more. Salado, one of those swings manages to connect. That could be very damaging. After that ball. We go once more. With Salado crowding him. And here he comes once more. He's got to attack. That's what he's Salado for Bacosa. Which is the way it should. I don't think that's a knockdown. He's going to get a count. So another knockdown scored here by Bacosa. Salado was down. Correct. Here we go once more. Right. And Salado doing the right. Looking for that one lucky punch that could end this fight and swing it to his favor. Two more coming up after this one. Again, a wild swing by Salado. It could be 5. And Bacosa is measuring his opponent now. And he connects with it. As Salado is coming through. Here's more jabs. And that's exactly what Bacosa. Looks like Salado's willing to take those jabs as long as he can throw that haymaker. Lefts once again. Salado with a lead from Bacosa. Right, one knockout. It's a 50%. Great me about Salado. That numerous warnings already. Throw that left jab. But the dangerous thing about but it doesn't seem that Salado can try to take advantage. Succession of blows once again. Oh, that's a rabbit punch. Final 10 seconds. Another left jab connected there by Bacosa. Once more, Salado looking very, very desperate. While Salado is Duero Bacol. Well, he does have power in that right hand. Again, just plowing in is Salado. Salado is there by Pacaso because he moved away from Salado, found himself almost outside of the ring, in between the ropes. Crouching a little bit too low here is Bacosa underneath that blow. But you can't back away the waist. Salado's going for broke here. Bacosa there. Once again, Bacosa, he's just looking to survive. Still throws that right hand. And missing him. That's the end of the fight. And it's going to be a lopsided Bacosa scoring 2 knockdowns. One in round number 1.
Winner by unanimous decision, Eman Bacosa. Bacosa.